Now let's look at the Gantt chart tutorial. We're going to learn how to set up a Gantt chart in SharePoint Online. This type of chart shows date ranges as bars going from left to right. In order to use this template, we simply need two date columns, one for a start date and one for an end date, and then a corresponding label which will show on the left. In this case, we'll just use the title field for our record. So in my case, I have a list of projects. For each of those, I have a start and an end date. And my template is going to allow me to visualize that. So I can compare between records in the list. Now, when you first get to this template screen, you'll notice that there are 10 different theme options that you can look at. These just show you examples of different styles that you might use with your Gantt chart. You can apply whichever configuration settings you want using all the settings below. This will just help you get some ideas on different things that you can do. So I'm going to stick with the first theme up at the top. There are many configuration settings you can change. You can adjust the overall width of the chart. Of course, you can adjust the title. And also you can adjust the date range. So this is an important setting. The date range is going to set the left side, the beginning date for your chart, and then the max is going to be the end date. In my case, I've got dates that are spanning between calendar years January 1, 2021, all the way up until December 31, 2022. So you should be sure to adjust those ranges so that all of your records have date values that fall inside of that range. If you're in a country that uses different date formatting, there's an option here to do day, month, year instead of month, day, year if you want to have the labels adjusted accordingly. And then the separator between these, you could refer to these as lanes. So you'll see an option here for lane divider, and you can have different settings. So you could just have solid lines if you want, or dotted or dashed, however you think looks best. In order to use this template, you need to insert your SharePoint field names. So if you look in my example, my field names are simply named title, start, and end. And I do need to enter those in order for this template to work. Okay, so there are my fields. And then once everything is set, I can go ahead and click on the copy template button. So just follow the directions in the pop-up window and hit OK. And then you can go over to SharePoint. This is a view formatting template, so you just go to the view selector in the upper right, then select Format Current View, and then click on Advanced Mode. And then replace this code, paste the code from your clipboard in, and save. And there we go. There is my Gantt chart template. And I can, at this point, go ahead and tweak the settings. So usually, as in the case with many charting templates, you will see things that you want to adjust a little bit. Maybe you want the font a little bit bigger. For example, this says My Gantt Chart at the top. I don't want it to say that. I probably want to adjust my title. So I'd do something like, say, Project Timeline. And I can just keep making adjustments and simply copy and paste over my code and make quick adjustments until I get things appearing the way that I want. And that's it. That's all that you need to do to set up the Gantt chart template. This is a pro template. This is one of more than 100 templates that are available at SharePointDashboards.com. There are a total of 22 different charting templates available in this site. If you're new to SharePoint dashboards, I recommend that you sign up for a free account, which does include 20 free templates, which are available for unlimited use. You can start with those free templates, and then once you're comfortable with the tool, you can go ahead and move forward and take advantage of this template and other charting templates, which are part of the subscription. I hope that helps, and I hope you're able to take advantage and use this template to visualize things such as a project timeline in your SharePoint lists. Good luck.